again.
I'm gonna trap all the animals out here. Ha ha ha.
Huh? Some yummy fruits? I'm gonna eat this now, then I will go sleep. Huh? What's that? Uh-oh! I will definitely impress her this time. She's gonna love this ring. You can do it, buddy. Be cool. Huh? Hey! What are you doing? Why did you put us inside the cage?
Now on, you are our circus animals. I'll get you to our place. Let's go.
I knew it was his idea, but where is he gone? Help! Help! Huh? That's him! Hey! The circus man trapped us here! Please help us! Oh no! Don't go! Hey Johnny! Stop! Slow down! Huh? Hey Miss Squirry! Why are you crying? Oh! Yesterday night, a circus man caught our squirrel and monkey. He took them away inside a cage and went to that side. I don't know what to do. We need to save them. Come, let's go find where they are. Hey! Shh! Look! He's there! The keys are inside his pockets. Hey, Squirry! We need to get the keys from him. You have to get the keys secretly. Huh? Me? Are you sure? Yes, yes! Okay, I will try. Hey guys, look! I got the keys! Uh-oh!
Hey, you naughty little one. You also want to come with me?
Sorry, sir! Not now! Run, guys! Run! He found us!
Hey, stop! I'm not going to spare you. Huh? Where did they go?
Oh! I have an idea! Here you go!
Uh-oh. Ouch! Ouch! Help me!
Huh? Look, guys! We got the keys! Thank you so much! You saved us!
Ouch! Help me!